Hello everyone, my name is Rubina and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make pancakes. So now I'm going to show you what ingredients you need to make pancakes. This is my pancake mix. I use American Garden brand, you can use any brand, okay? Half a cup of milk, quarter a cup of water, quarter a cup of oil too, 2 eggs, and these are the ingredients I use. You can use any if you want, okay? So, first I start with milk. Then we will crack the 2 eggs. Now we will put the quarter cup of water inside. Oops, didn't break. Now I will put the oil. You can mix whenever you want, but I just like to mix now. You can stop mixing when there's a yellowy color to your mix, but keep on checking and putting your fork up to see if the eggs are well beaten inside. Now, if your mix is like this, you can carry on. We will put the pancake mix. You can put half or a little more than that. I suggest to be a little bit more careful because this is the messy part about making pancakes. Okay, now if you think you have mixed it all, get a closer look and see this. You have to keep on mixing until the chunks disappear because you do not want powder in your pancake while you're eating. See, now we have no chunks. Now you can get ready to turn on your oven. Frying pan are ready. Get your pancake mixture and put it anywhere you have space on. So I know you have been wondering if we need oil. So you do need oil, but just put a little dab of it. Not too much because in the pancake you already have oil. So the oil has spread on the frying pan. So now you can put as a small pancake or a big pancake. I want to put small. So hopefully it will turn out small because it spreads really nicely. Come on. You're so small. More. Yes. Oops. Look guys, I made a fish. By accident. Now, when bubbles are popping up and the sides look crispy, you can flip your pancake. Okay guys, now I'll check if it's done. Well guys, look, it's already done. My fish pancake. I have made these other 2 pancakes the way I showed you the first one. So now I am going to put the decorations, which is cream and cherries. Ooh, nice. Fast. Okay guys, so I have put a lot of cream on one layer of the pancake because I love it so much. You can put as much as you want. So I'm going to make a sandwich. Just squish it. Now put a little bit on this. cherries. So now I have put all the creams in my pancake cream sandwich. I have put some cherries on top. Okay, now you can come and do a close look. Okay. So guys, this is our homemade cream pancake sandwich with cherries on top. Hope it helped you.